Hello and welcome to ChatGPT Tutorials channel. I am Barack Obama, but not the real one, just a digital version of myself created using advanced AI technology by Monoin. And this is not my actual voice, it is also AI generated. Pretty cool, huh? And in this channel I will keep you up to date with the latest top trending book summaries. If you're a book lover looking to stay informed, then you've come to the right place. Thanks for tuning in to ChatGPT Tutorials. We're excited to share our love of books with you, so sit back, relax, and let's get started. Today book summary title, Things We Hide from the Light, Knock 'Em Out Book 2, author by Lucy Score. Introduction. The book introduces the reader to the main character, Sarah, a successful lawyer who seems to have it all. However, Sarah is haunted by a secret from her past that threatens to destroy her life. The book explores the themes of love, loss, and redemption as Sarah confronts her past and learns to forgive herself and others. Chapter 1, The Accident. This chapter explores the traumatic event that changed Sarah's life forever. It reveals the details of the accident that killed her best friend and left her with guilt and shame. It also introduces the supporting characters, including Sarah's husband, her therapist, and her estranged mother. Chapter 2, The Lie. This chapter reveals the lie that Sarah has been living for years. It explains how she has hidden the truth about the accident from everyone in her life, including her husband and her therapist. It also introduces the idea of redemption, as Sarah realizes that she needs to confront her past in order to move forward. Chapter 3, The Confrontation. This chapter explores Sarah's first attempt to confront her past. She travels to her hometown to visit her mother, who has been living in a nursing home. During the visit, Sarah learns some shocking truths about her past and begins to unravel the web of lies that she has been living. Chapter 4, The Confession. This chapter explores Sarah's decision to confess her secret to her husband. She struggles with the fear of losing him, but ultimately decides that honesty is the only way forward. The confession leads to a series of difficult conversations and a period of intense introspection for Sarah. Chapter 5, The Reconciliation. This chapter explores the aftermath of Sarah's confession. It reveals how her husband reacts to the news and how their relationship is tested and ultimately strengthened. It also explores Sarah's relationship with her mother as she tries to come to terms with the truth about her past. Chapter 6, The Resolution. This chapter explores the final steps of Sarah's journey towards redemption. It reveals how she finally confronts the person responsible for the accident and how she learns to forgive herself and others. It also explores the themes of healing, hope, and second chances as Sarah emerges from her ordeal stronger and wiser. Conclusion. The book concludes by summarizing the key themes and lessons learned from Sarah's journey. It emphasizes the importance of honesty, forgiveness, and self-acceptance, and the power of love and redemption to heal even the deepest wounds. Note, the hypothetical book and its chapters are provided for illustrative purposes only. The author and the publisher are entirely fictional, and the content is not intended to endorse any specific product, service, or strategy. The book summary is not a substitute for reading the actual book, and it should not be used as legal, financial, or investment advice. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join us on our journey through the wonderful world of literature. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And if you are interested to buy this book, go to my description and buy now.